Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how to log in to Lords Mobile with your IGG ID. Logging into Lords Mobile with IGG ID is the official way to access your game progress across devices safely. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open Lords Mobile game on your device. And once you're inside the game section, tap on the gear button at the bottom right corner. On the next page where it says Others, click on Account. Under Account Settings, click on Switch Account and Device. Now from the options, click on IGG Account. Select Login option from the menu and then click on Login once again. This will now take you to the IGG account login interface where you can enter your email address and password associated with your IGG account. If you don't have an IGG account yet, click on Register and follow through the sign-up process. But if you do have an existing account, write down your email address and password. Finally, after entering it, click on Login and then your game will restart with the new account ID. And there you have it. You have successfully signed in to Lords Mobile with IGG ID. You can now keep your progress safe and you can sign in to multiple devices if necessary with this option. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.